Hello guys, welcome to EBASEE live streaming. I'm Jimmy, and I will be the host for today's show. Okay. Okay, great. Okay, in today's content, we will bring you two main parts. The first part would be the introduction about our company, and the second part would be the hard-selling products recommendation. I know maybe the audience in front of the screen now watching our live streaming now. Maybe you have know our EBASEE before. Maybe from your local market you get our products, or you didn't know us. But it doesn't matter. No matter whether you know us or not. In today's show, we will bring you a big idea, the big picture about our company, and what kind of companies it's about. What kind of companies EBASEE is and what kind of service and products you can get from us. Okay, now let's take a look at our EBASEE presentation. Take a look for the PowerPoint. The contents of our PowerPoint will include four main parts. First, we will give you a brief introduction about our company, and the second part would be our group glance, and the third part would be the product portfolio, and the last part would be why us. Okay, now let's take a look at the first part, the overview. Talking about a company, we have to mention the company's core culture and the core value. As you can see here, our main mission of EBASEE is to provide the wider application of the electricity and also to create a more better human life. This is our general mission for our company. And the value of our company is to not only add the profits to our customers and also to realize the dreams of our employees. And based on all this, we provide the rule, the win-win mindset to all of our customers' cooperation. Okay. Now let's take a look at our company milestone. As you can see here, our company established in 1999. At that time, we start our production, our manufacturing for the components of low voltage apparatus. And after 6 years development, in 2005, we have established two manufacturing bases. One is in Wenzhou, another is in Shanghai. And you can see here in 2010, we have cooperated with the Italian brand, the Revco, and established our own brand, EBASEE. This is the start year of our own brand. And at 2013, we established our first overseas branch, our EBASEE UK. The branch is located in UK, and at the meanwhile, we have also started to providing OEM and ODM service to some big brands like Siemens and WEG and also the Marco in Turkey. And in 2015, after several years development, our EBASEE brand has won a great market share in some countries. Especially you can see here in Chile, our product market share already reached 70%. If you are from Chile, you might easily get our brand products in the market. Okay. At 2016, we established our second overseas branch, EBASEE Italy. And till now, we already have 6 overseas branch around the world. Establishing this branch is the main purpose is to help our customers' business to better support our clients and to provide more quick response to their need and their after-sales service. Okay, now let's enter into our second part, our group glance. Okay. Our company, as I just mentioned, we have two factory buildings. One is in Wenzhou and another is in Shanghai. And our total employees is about 418 people. And they are all professional workers in our factories and provide the most professional production skills to our clients' orders. And our factory building area is about 11,000 square meters. And also you can see here, there are several pictures. Several pictures. There are the component process, deliberating and packing and assembling and the printing workshop of our factory. And also you can see here, this is our warehouse. And here is our office in Shanghai. EBASEE sales center is located in Shanghai. And you can see here is the big picture of our sales center. Okay, now let's take a look at our development and research. Every year, we also improved a lot of energy, labors, and money into new products development and our current system improvement, such as you can see here, the product innovation. And we get a lot of new products coming every year. And also here, we also to improve our testing equipment and training professional team, and also embrace the new tech. And at this place, you can see here, from several years ago, we introduced more product line to our current products. There are several parts, include the EV charging system, and also the solar system and the remote control system. And EBASEE also co-worked with the local universities and also some research institution. And also we cooperated with our clients and our suppliers to better help our development. And this development, we believe it will finally benefit for our customers' service and customers' selling, customers' business. Okay. In this part is some certificate and award we get it from the industrial. So we highlight there. At the 2012, we get the 3A level certificate from the Ministry of Commerce. This is the highest standard certificate in this for this part. And at the 2016, our brand has been reputed by the CCCME Commerce and as their recommended export brand. And at 2019, our factory has been certified by BWay. And at the meantime, we also get the Gold Plus supplier in Alibaba. So if you are now meaning the clients watching this video, you are very familiar with the Alibaba platform. You can easily get the relevant information in our store, like our company page, main page. You can check it by yourself. Okay, now let's take a look at our main product line. Our product line is mainly focused on the low voltage electric components, such as the power distribution, modular terminal, and power control and DC protection. You can see our product line from the picture. You can see our product line covers from the ACB, ATS fuse, MCB isolator, and the SPG voltage protector, and MCB, and also for the industrial using products, we have the motor protection circuit breaker and thermal relay and AC contactor, and also the very hard products, the industrial socket and plugs. Here displayed is our very hard-selling MCCB, our EBS9M. And this product is used in a big crude oil factory in Pakistan. And this product get a very good reputation among our clients. And here is our highlight. It's also the product I'm gonna to introduce a little bit later. It's our MCB, our BX90. We can see here. It has the MCB isolator and also the RCCB, RCBO, and the indicator, and also the module bell for the whole set is mainly installed in the distribution box and to control your equipment in your residential environment. Now is the power control products, the AC contactor. We highlight there is our BC1G, one of our most popular products among our clients. This product is also widely used in our products UPS systems. You can see here. Okay, now in this picture is the main products we developed for the DC system. You know, the DC system is mainly for the solar and the electric vehicle systems. You can see here we have the PVMC for our products and the fuse and the SPG and also the isolator and also the waterproof junction box. And last year, EBASEE also noticed about the development of the electric vehicles market. You know, nowadays the new energy vehicles is a new trend in the market, and a lot of countries, their government put a lot of benefit policies for their people to buy the electric vehicles to promote the electric vehicles. So at the meanwhile, we also developed our own EV charger, which is a very important part for the electric vehicle system. Now you can see, if you have demand for this item, you can send your inquiry for us. Okay, for this part is a basic the future development. Our future development will be the heading forward with the revolution of technology, which include the four basic directions, include the intelligence, energy saving, and easy operation, and the solution oriented. There are several certificates we get it for our company and our products. We have CE, ISO 9001, and BV, ICL, and ROS, and GMC, TUV. This kind of certificates where a lot of products can be sold in many different countries, like the European market and also the South American markets. Okay, now we enter into the final part. Why us? Why you should choose EBASEE as your partner? These are the general process of how EBASEE operates order. You can see here, after we get the order from clients, it will be entered into the part manufacture and assembly and test and packing, then delivery. EBASEE also have a very strict raw material management system. We have very strict inspection for the raw materials. That's we choose qualified supplier to cooperate and to work together. And we also do some routine tests for the raw materials to ensure the quality of the raw materials is very great. And also we also cooperated with some inspection company like SGS or the client's named company to do the inspection. And you can see here, our workers do the incoming inspection for the materials. And we also have the auto test line to do the testing. This part is a general idea about our factory buildings, our manufacturing facilities. You can see here is our punching workshop and the tooling workshop, and also here is our injection workshop. Assembling is as one of the most important part for the production. We have the basic manual production line and also have the high performance automatic assembly line. These two lines allow us to provide the reliable, stable the delivery time for our clients, and especially for some big orders or for some quick orders. Besides, we also have SANA's approved lab, our own lab. You can see here our testing center. For our testing center, we can do a lot of testing for the products. You can see one of the main testing I want to highlight is the 10 kA braking capacity test. This test need a very high standard requirement for the lab. Not all the lab can do this test, but for our lab, we can do it. You can see here is the pictures for our equipment, our testing equipment. Okay, now let's take a look about the packing and our warehousing. For our products, we have three different packing for our clients to select. The first one will be our EBASEE packing. You can see here with our EBASEE design, our logo, our slogan, it's very nice. But for some clients, maybe they do not want to use our packing. We also provide another two choice for them. The first one, it would be the neutral packaging. For some clients, maybe your first order quantity is not that large, but you do OEM with us. So this kind of packing is very better for you. And also, you can see here, we also can provide the customized packaging. Especially for if your order is very large and you want to do OEM with us, we can also provide this kind of service for you to better help you to promote your products. And you can see here is a picture for our warehouse. There are a lot of goods in the picture. And for the delivery part, we have long-term cooperated express like the FedEx, UPS, EMS, TNT, and we also have long-term cooperative forwarder to safeguard to provide the most economic shipping way for our clients' order. And meanwhile, we can also to safeguard their delivery time for the shipping. Okay, now it's a very important part, and also is also EBASEE's advantage, our service. Our brand is known for being the responsible and reliable for the service, and most of our clients is our regular clients. They cooperated with us more than once. The reason why they choose EBASEE is mainly because not only we provide them the very suitable products and very good quality, but also our service, they feel very satisfied with our after-sales service. And you can see here, we not only provide them the maintenance and also some technical support, and also we do the marketing support. I remember in 2018, we have hosted the exhibition with my clients in Peru to help them to do the marketing to better to promote our brand products in their market. Besides, we also have some online support like the social media, live streaming, online meeting. This kind of channels let us to better to approach our clients and to promote our brand. I trust through this way also can increase the brand known, the reputation in the market. You can see here YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram and Twitter. If you still not follow us, you can search our EBASEE brand into it and follow us, and you will get a lot of interesting and wonderful content in that place. Okay, let's continue. Except the online marketing, we also attend exhibition every year. The Candle Fire we attend every year, and you can see here is some pictures of our booth. You know, from last year, due to the COVID-19 pandemic situation, the Candle Fire cannot be hosted offline, so they moved their all of things online. And this year, it will be also hosted online. So if you have interest, you can keep focusing on us, and also you can also watch our more live streaming at that time. You can see here, this is the pictures we our colleagues with the clients. And except that, we also provide some set spots like the visit customer. We pay a visit to different markets to our customers every year. Due to the pandemic situation, we pending our trip since last year. But before last year, we almost every year go out to the market to approach our clients face to face and to know the market by ourselves. And you can see here is the pictures of our previous trip. And we also do the marketing investigation. This is also we put a very high importance into it because we think only when you do this kind of things, you know the market better. You know the end users, the distributors, the market demand better. And this kind of information will better for you to promote our brands and to help you support our clients better. And here we also have frontline technical support. We have experience in helping our clients to establish the manufacturing production line in India several years ago. It's a very big factory. They wanted to import to enter into the MCB field. So they found us, and we helped them to build the production line. And we also have the seminar every year for our clients. You can see here, my colleague now do the presentation, and the clients do the presentation about our clients to about our products to their clients. And here is the marketing sports keys we can provide it for our clients. If you are doing our EBASEE brand in your market, what you can get here, you can get newsletter. We update it every year, every month for some newsletter, and also you can get the catalog. We have catalog. This kind of things can help you better introduce our products to your clients. And also here you can see the brochures and also some videos you can use to online marketing. And here, there are more marketing materials you can use. We have the printed with the EBASEE logo printed non-woven bag, and also our very cute our how to say our small bay the character, and also our keychain, and the U disc, and also the pen and the screw. And also here you can see this is the poster we made for not only used in our marketing but also to send it to our clients to let them to do the marketing. And here is the code exhibit we have mentioned before. Okay, now let's take a look at some main projects we have experienced, we have supported our clients in the previous years. In Finland and New Zealand, we have entered into the residual EV charging system to support the EV chargers to our clients in their project. And in Poland, we have the solar system for PPA. And also in Italy, Argentina, we have exported the production technology you can see here. We just have mentioned we also have do the same thing in India to help our clients to build the production line. And in Brazil, our product is widely used in their UPS systems to safeguard their electricity using. And here in South America, we have our product has been used in the many mechanical equipment. And also in India, we have the Longqing railway station. Our AC contactor has been used in their system. And also in Vietnam, we have national electrical power system. Our products you can see here. The people install the components is from us, our MCB, RCCB, and some other components into the distribution panel box. And here in the package system, we cooperated, I just mentioned, we cooperated with the largest edible oil plant. We support their ACB, MCCB, and MCB products into their basic factory buildings. And their feedback about our quality is very positive. They give a very good comments for our quality, and we have a very great experience cooperation since 2016. And okay, now let's take a look at our general market. Okay, you can see here. Our main markets include the Europe, Asia, and South America, and also in Africa. There are many successful cases we show up here. And if you want to know more details, you can contact us. We will send you for a detailed review. Okay. Okay. Now, what you can get being EBASEE agent. Currently we will have some. We set up some agents in some our main markets like Italian, or in Italian and Poland, and in South America we have agents in Peru, and also in America we have agents in Kenya and Tanzania. What we can get, what you can get if you being our agent, you can not only get the advertising materials we have mentioned, we have introduced before, but you can also get our support in delivery, product delivery, and also the some important projects and cool expectations. Okay, now it's all about the general idea about our company presentation. If you have interest to more details, why not just contact us directly so you can know us by yourself by the real communication with us. Now let's take a look at our product recommendation part. Okay, help me. Okay. 下来一点。 墨迹。Okay, we just need a little time to adjust the camera to make sure you can see all of things clearly, okay? Now we continue. And here we have bring you to our hot-selling product series. The first series is about our MCB, and the next series is about our GMC, the AC contactor. Now let's take a look at our hot-selling MCBs. The first one I wanted to show up here is our EBS 6BN. You can see the product here. Okay, let's get a close look. This product is our most hot-selling products among our clients and very suitable for the distribution. And if you are a distributor or retailer, you can consider these products because this item is our most cost-effective item and most competitive item. The breaking capacity for this item can both made in 4.5 and also the 6 kA. And also here you can see the product structure is the most classical structure in the market. It's the C45. And this item also has the CE and RoHS certificate, and you can readily use. It is strictly according to the REC standard, and you can see the operation handle is very easy to operate. And here is a indication window used to indicate the product's condition. Okay, and we also, you can see here, print with our logo. For this item, we can also accept not only our own brand, but if you wanted to do OEM with us, we can also provide the service for you. And besides, I wanted to highlight is the delivery time and the product stability is very great because this is our faster moving products. The delivery time is more stable, and you can see the product's quality is also very great. Okay, except this one, we also have bring another products, our 9 series of BX90 MCB here. Let's take a close look. Okay. For this MCB, this is our high-end series. Why we call it highlight? Because why we call it high level series? Because this item, you can see. Let me introduce the appearance first. You can see here, at the front side, the design is very nice and very elegant. And at the front side, you can see here it has an indication window used to indicate the product condition. And also here, we have a video window, video cover. You can see here, video cover. It can be open, and end users can add a sticker into it used to indicate where the product control, and very convenient. And here you can see the operation handle is also very smooth to operate. Turn it on, turn it off very smoothly. And at the set place, you can see here, it's designed with the curve. It has a curved design. This design add the anti-skidding function to the product. When you hold it, the product is not easy to drop down, and also it can also to better for the products dissipate to the heat. It's very convenient and very nice design. And at the back side, you can see here, it is the safety buckle, the clip. It is very easy to move out and move on, and very convenient for the clients to install the products into the DIN reel. It's very convenient. Besides, as I mentioned, this product is for high standard, high level and the market, because this product has the breaking capacity of this item can reach 10 kA. And we also have the SENAS approved, SENAS lab issued certificate for the 10K testing report. And if you are mainly focused in your local tender, the projects may have a very high requirement for the product's quality, and also maybe have the requirement for the products for the MCB's breaking capacity. This item is very perfect for you. Or maybe your main client group is the high end market. Your clients need a more high quality products, and this item is also very suitable for you because the complaint rate is very low, and the quality is very excellent. We trust this item can help you to establish a good reputation among your clients and a good brand impression into your client's heart. Okay. After the product's introduction, if you have any interest for the two items, you can just send inquiries to us on Alibaba, and our professional salesperson will contact you one-to-one and provide you more information like our catalog or videos or product certificates to help you better evaluate our products. Okay, now let's take a look about the components, the inside components of the MCB. I trust some people in front of the screen may have interest about it. Now let's take a look. Okay, I hope you can see this picture very clearly. You can see here when we open the MCB, we can see a lot of different parts. You can see here, this part we call it the terminal, the incoming terminal and outgoing terminal. And here is the outshield around the products. And this place, we call it operation mechanism part. It includes the handle and also this mechanism. And here, you can see here is the solenoid coil system at this part, and the red part is the arc chamber, which is used to extinguish the arc. And also here, this part is the arc isolating wall. And here is the electrical heater system. This part, the name is the bimetal strip. Okay, this is the main component for MCB. And talking about this, I also wanted to do a brief introduction about how the products, how the MCB operates in the real circuit. And you can see here, when the product is energized, the electricity will flow through the incoming terminal to the bimetal strip, and then it will flow through the dynamic contacts and to the solenoid system. And here it will flow through the outgoing terminal, then to the load. And for the function of the arc chamber, I have mentioned it's used to extinguish the arc because when you turn off the handle, turn off the product, the dynamic contact will apart from the stationary contact. And the gap between them will generate an arc, the electrical arc between them, and it is very dangerous. So we have to, and so we set up this part, the arc chamber. The electricity will lead to the arc chamber and finally extinguished into it. Okay, this is the general idea about the inside components of MCB and also the very simple introduction about its function and operation mechanism. Okay. Okay, next I wanted to do a brief introduction about our AC contactor. The products we have bring here for today's show is our very hot selling item, our GMC. You can see here. Okay, GMC. You can see the appearance is very well designed and frankly speaking, it's very similar to one of the big brand, the LS brand, the MC and GMC. Our products is very similar. So in some countries, their people, their end user, like this kind of design. So this product is very perfect for them to be the alternative of LS products because our products quality and price is very is more competitive, but quality is also very great. For this item, you can see this is a general design for this item. This item main features include I wanted to highlight is the rated current range. It can its current range can is available from 9 MPa to 800 MPa, which means clients has more selection space for the product specification. And also the product quality is also very excellent. We have CE certificate for this item. And from our clients' feedback, from the customers' feedback, the quality is very good. And if you want to know more details, you can just send a quick inquiry to us and we will give you more instruction about it. And this item also equipped with the accelerators like the accelerators contactors. We didn't bring some sample here, but you can see it in our catalogs. And also we also have the thumb relay. Thumb relay used to provide the protection for the whole circuit. Because the AC contactor didn't have the function to protect the overload or overload. So we needed the equipment, the thumb relay, to add this function for the whole product and to protect your motor. Because AC contactor mainly used to control some equipment like a motor, pump, or some other things. And so the quality and the function is very important. Okay, now let us to take a look for the inside components I wanted to introduce you. And here we have disassembled the products in advance. You can see here. When we open it, you can see there are several main parts of it. You can see the spring and the coil. You can see here, this part is the coil. And the part under the coil is the stationary armature. Stationary armature. And here, This part we call it dynamic armature because it can be moved with the power energized. You can see here. Okay, this is the basic the main components of a contactor. Now we also have prepared a video. Okay, before the video, we have I forgot to introduce about the wiring of this item. For the AC contactor, you can see here, this place marked L1, L2, and L3, and the T1, T2, T3. This is the main contacts used to power on the main circuit. And for contactor, it also has another circuit, the control, we call it control circuit. You can see here the A1 and the A1 and A2. This contact is used to control the inside coil. Normally, it wired with the push buttons. When you turn on the button, the inside the coil will be energized. Okay, after that, I'm gonna to give you a brief introduction about the operation mechanism for the contactor. Now let's take a look. Take a look at a video. Okay. Okay, you can see the red part is the electricity. When the control circuit has been energized, the coil will generate a magnetic field, and this will drive the dynamic contact move to the stationary contact. You can see here, like the video shows. Okay, you can see it moved very slowly. Now you can see very clearly. Okay, so after that, the main circuit is being powered on. Okay, this is just a very simple displaying, very simple introduction about the mechanism. So if you want to know more details, you can also focus. You can follow us on YouTube. We have a lot of introduction videos on there. Okay, my friend, this is almost our today's show content, and thanks for your watching. And very glad you accompanied with me for through the whole video, through the whole show. I hope you are very enjoyable and also get some information about our company and our products. Actually, we have a lot of interesting content has been updated in our social media channel like YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn. You can also search EBASEE into it and follow us. You can get a lot of useful content there. And also, do not forget to send us your inquiry if you have interest for the products we introduced today. And also, we will be very glad to meet you in the following days if you want to talk more details about your needs. Okay, our next show, we are not sure when we will be hosting another show, but you can focus in our main page on Alibaba and get more information about our live streaming schedule. Okay, hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Bye bye.